In this video, you'll learn how to add a video on Webflow in just a few minutes so you can make your website more engaging, dynamic, and visually impressive. First, go to webflow.com and sign in to your account. Open the project where you want to add your video, then head to the designer and navigate to the page or section where the video should appear. Next, open the Add Elements panel on the left side of the editor. Scroll down to the Media category, where you'll find two powerful options, the video element for direct uploads and the video link element for embedding from YouTube or Vimeo. Now, if you want to upload your own video, drag the video element onto the canvas and click it to upload a file directly from your computer. Webflow will host and optimize it automatically for smooth playback on every device. After that, if you prefer embedding, drag the video link element instead and paste your YouTube or Vimeo URL. Webflow will instantly generate the player so your video looks clean and professional on your website. Once your video is added, customize it using the right side settings panel. You can set autoplay, loop, mute, or hide controls and adjust the size and position to fit perfectly within your page layout. And that's it. Your Webflow website now has a beautiful video that grabs attention and brings your content to life.